Every day, the YouTube community continues to grow. It has almost everything you need to succeed in whatever passion you would like to pursue. This includes the passion to continue growing so you can live a healthier and more rewarding life. Hello, and welcome to Sadia. More creators have joined YouTube to share their inspiring fitness journeys, healthy recipes, effective self-development guides, and many hacks to reach a happier, more fulfilling lifestyle. This is part 1 of 2 of our videos counting down the best YouTube channels that are sure to help you grow and not die. In this edition, we're covering healthy recipes, comfort food, fitness tips, inspirational talks, and personal development tips from 5 excellent YouTube channels. Before we get started, don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to see more of our videos for a healthy mind, body, and soul. Avoid getting stuck in your life. Embrace your full potential and allow yourself to grow. Follow and subscribe to these amazing YouTube channels. Coming in at number 10, Pick Up Limes. We'll start with a YouTube channel that guides you on how to eat your way to a healthier life. Pick Up Limes offers nourishing plant-based lifestyle and healthy recipes and makes it accessible to everybody. What sets Pick Up Limes apart from all other channels is its accommodating and peaceful vibe in every video. It is owned by Sadia, who is a registered dietitian with a wide experience dealing with all types of people from all walks of life. Besides food and healthy recipes, Sadia also produces videos on general wellness that will help viewers achieve the healthier, happier alternative in life. With more than 3 million subscribers and counting, you're surely in the company of millions of other people worldwide who have deeply fallen in love with the valuable health insights from the Pick Up Limes channel. Number 9, Walk at Home by Leslie Sansone. From healthy eating, it's time to get moving. Walk at Home by Leslie Sansone is a terrific fitness YouTube channel that promotes physical fitness through the mere act of walking. Pioneered by fitness expert Leslie Sansone, the walking workout is a simple yet very effective strategy that anyone can perform almost anywhere, even from the comforts of their homes. The channel allows you to access different walking exercises, all for free. If you want more in-depth walking exercises, then you'll need Leslie Sansone's Total Body Walking Program. It ensures a serious fat-burning and incredible lower body sculpting result with just one powerful, energizing workout. You can access these workout kits at mass retail, including Walmart, Target, and QVC. Also check out the Walk at Home app. It offers a new set of astonishing workouts every month. Number 8, Absolute Motivation. From food to physical fitness, it's time to sharpen your mind through mental fitness. Absolute Motivation is a YouTube channel filled with motivational videos and inspirational content. The channel aims to enhance the human experience by offering thought-provoking content that stimulates and expands the human consciousness. If you're looking for a valuable internet resource that will help you unlearn the wrong way of thinking, then this channel is a must subscribe. From eye-opening videos to teaching viewers how to unlock the true power of self, Absolute Motivation can elevate your mental acuity and guide you to the right path for professional and personal success. Number 7, Tony Robbins. Speaking of professional success, you'll want to secure your business or career growth by subscribing to the Tony Robbins YouTube channel. As a renowned entrepreneur, #1 New York Times best-selling author, and popular life and business strategist, Tony Robbins has empowered more than 50 million people through the transformative strength of his business and personal development events and life coaching programs. Tony Robbins has coached and guided some of the most influential people in various fields, including 4 U.S. presidents, Hollywood actors, athletes, and many brilliant moguls in the business world. Through this channel, Tony Robbins offers a collection of inspirational and motivational videos that are mostly set during his actual life coaching sessions. The best part? You can access all of them for free. Number 6, Tasty. Responsible for kickstarting the popularity of food videos that go viral online, this food-focused channel by BuzzFeed produces and shares content that oftentimes wows the viewers for its larger-than-life and spectacular presentation of food recipes. Chances are you've come across a tasty video while scrolling your Facebook feed, and you've been amazed at how unbelievable the food can get. While it doesn't always promote healthy eating, Tasty's allure is in the area of comfort food. This channel offers valuable insights into food-related information such as restaurants versus homemade, must-try foods from around the world, or kitchen hacks to make cooking easier and more fun. Recently, Tasty has become even more popular for their Making It Big series, where they make giant versions of regular-sized recipes. Tasty is packed with incredible, out-of-this-world food stuff that's so much fun to watch. Each mouth-watering video is a feast for your eyes and brings pure delight to the heart, earning Tasty the number 6 spot on our list and the last one for this part of the countdown. Do you have your own favorite health and wellness or self-improvement channel that we missed? Tell us in the comments down below. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe. Click the notification bell, or we won't release part 2 of this countdown. Please check out our other videos.